Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Profile custom artwork not showing using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken image files on your current setup session so your personal creative designs show up perfectly for everyone to see. Step 1. Check and lower your image file size and format. The first step is to open the folder on your computer where you keep your custom picture file and make sure the file is not too heavy or using a strange format that blocks the upload system. Open your yellow file viewing window, find your custom artwork picture, click your right mouse button once on it, choose the button that says Properties, check the size line, and make sure it is less than 5 megabytes and ends with standard letters like .png or .jpg. Verify that your file size number is small and clean flat against your background view before you try to upload it again, because the main software system enforces strict file boundaries to keep its internet servers running smoothly. If you try to upload a giant, heavy movie file or a massive photo, the application engine will completely blind itself and drop the upload halfway through without telling you. Lowering your size of your picture ensures it fits through the digital doorways easily. Step 2. Clean out your internal web browser data storage. Next, you need to open your master application settings and use the built-in cleaner button to throw away old, broken web tracking fragments that are freezing your profile display. Move your mouse pointer to the top left corner, click on the word Steam, open your settings panel, click the row that says In-Game or Interface on the left menu, locate the button labeled Delete Web Browser Data, and click it once. Click the confirmation button when the pop-up box asks you to verify the step, and wait for your software application window to reset. Because your profile screen and artwork showcase rooms are actually running on a tiny internet browser layout hidden inside your main application panels, over time your temporary folder cards get filled with old broken image pieces from other pages you visited. This file pile can jam your text canvas and block your fresh artwork from displaying on your screen canvas rows. Wiping this cache creates a brand new, clean space for your images to slide into smoothly. Now, you need to open your main account badge page and make sure your personal profile level is high enough to actually hold an artwork showcase window on your layout map. Move your cursor to your profile name at the top of the screen, click Badges, look at your current level number, and craft any ready game card sets to push your account level past level 10 if it is too low. Check that your profile level number updates to show 10 or higher on your monitor screen view. Because the software launcher blocks brand new or empty level 0 accounts from changing their layout maps. The specific feature row, called the Artwork Showcase, stays completely locked in your background menu until your account reaches level 10. If your level is too low, your uploaded pictures will sit hidden in your background folder and will never show up on your public wall. And that's it. To fix Steam Profile custom artwork not showing, you must first check your picture properties to ensure the size is small and uses a standard format on your screen. Then, you move your mouse to your settings panel under the Interface row and click Delete Web Browser Data on your screen canvas rows to clean out your broken tracking folder files. Next, you check your Badges tab to ensure your profile level is 10 or higher to unlock your showcase slots. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.